Sai Ram children, welcome to online session. We'll continue with our chapter area. So what we have studied in last session, area of a circle. What is the formula to find area of a circle? Area of a circle is equal to pi r square. And we know pi is a Greek letter. And value for pi we are taking is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So remember this, that value of pi for doing the sums we are taking as 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So last time we have started the exercise 15.6. In that first question which we have done earlier was radii was given, we have to find areas. Now this second question, practice set 15.6. Second question, areas are given. Areas of some circles are given below, find their diameters. So first question is, area is given and area is 176 square centimeter. So area of a circle is 176 square centimeter. So how we will solve the sum? First we will write given. What is given? Area of circle, that is equal to 176 square centimeter. Next what we have to do is we have to find diameter of a circle. What we have to find here? We have to find here diameter of a circle. Now solution. What we have learned the formula area of a circle? Area of circle is pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. But what they have asked us to find? Diameter. So first what we will do? We will substitute the values, solve. So substitute the values. Area of circle given is 176 is equal to pi. What is the value of pi? 22 upon 7. So this is 22 upon 7. This slash which you see is upon. Always remember this is upon. So 22 upon 7 into r square. So next step is r square is equal to, because we have to find the value of r. So r square. R square is equal to 176 multiplied by, because 22 upon 7 is going to other side of the equality. So we have to take the reciprocal of the fraction. So reciprocal of 22 upon 7, that it will become 7 upon 22. Keeping in mind your numerator, which is 22, will become denominator, and 7 which was your denominator has become now numerator. So 176 multiplied by 7 upon 22. So which number is in upon 22? So what we will do? We will divide 176 with 22. So divide 176 with 22. It is 22 8s. It is 22 8s. So r square is equal to 8 into 7. R square 8 into 7. So 8 sevens is 56. So r square is 56. But we have to find r. So how we will get r? Taking square root. So square root of which number? 56. Now is 56 a square of any number? No. Is 56 square? No. So if it is not a square, you will not get the square root. And if you are not getting the square root, so what we will do? We will just put square root sign and write root of 56. Because 56 is not a perfect square. So you will not get the root. If it would have been any other number like 64, then you would have got the answer 8. But it is 56, which is not a square. So not a perfect square, you will not get root. So what you will do in such situation? You have to write that number with root sign. With root sign, you write that number. So our answer radius is root of 56. But what they have asked us to find? They have asked us to find diameter. So what is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter is twice of radius. Diameter is radius multiplied by 2. So diameter is 2 multiplied by radius, and our radius here it is root of 56. So when we will multiply 2 with root of 56, now 56 is in root sign. So when we will multiply, just we have to remove that multiplication sign and write like this: 2 root 56. Diameter is 2 root 56. So our answer, diameter of the circle is 2 root 56. Answer, 2 root 56 centimeter. So what we have to do here? We have to find diameter. Area is given. So what we have done? Use the formula, substitute it, get radius and multiply by 2. Second question. It is also the same kind. Area is given, find diameter. 394.24 square centimeter. Area of circle given is, so first what we will do, write given. Given area of circle is equal to 394.24 square centimeter. To find, what we have to find here? Diameter of the circle. Steps are same, only a decimal is there. That calculation we have to say. So first we will write solution. Area of circle. What is the formula to find area of circle? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. So now substitute the value. In place of area, 394.24 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. Substitute the values. 394.24 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. Now we have to find r square. So r square is equal to 394.24 into. Now what we have done into which number? Yes, reciprocal. Reciprocal of 22 upon 7 is 7 upon 22. So keep in mind, this number 22 upon 7 is going other side of the equality, the numbers together. So 22 upon 7 will become 7 upon 22. So this here we are having decimal. So we have to take care of the decimal. So first step what we will do? We will remove the decimal. And as we are removing the decimal, r square is equal to 3. Now it has, we have removed the decimal. So we have removed the decimal. We have taken opposite side, other side. How many places were there? 2 places were there. 0.24. So 100 we have to take. And 100 we have to take in other side. So we have taken 100 in denominator. So this thing you have to keep in mind. Now it has become like 39,424. Decimal is removed. So 39424. 39,424 upon 100. Why upon 100? Decimal is removed. Into 7 upon 24. Because we have to take the reciprocal. 7 upon 22. It is r square is equal to 39,424 upon 100 into 7 upon 22. It is 22. Now what we will do, children? R square is equal to, we are going to reduce it. So we are reducing it. 100 as it is we are keeping it, because 100 is a perfect square. It will help us in calculation further. So what we have done? This 22 divided by 2. So we are getting 11. 22 divided by 2, we have got 11. And this number 39424, when you divide by 2, you will get 19712. So I know you all are ready with your books and study material. You have to do calculation. Divide this number 39,424 with 2 and you will get 19,712. 19712. Again what we will do? We will divide this number with 11. 11 ones are 11. And 19712 with 11. So you will get the answer 1792. You divide it, ordinary division you do, and you will get the answer 1792. Now what is remaining is 1792 multiplied by 7 upon 100. Now 100 as it is we are keeping it because it's a perfect square. So r square is 1792 into 7 upon 100, and now we have to find r, that is taking square root of. So we are going to take the square root of this number, that is 1792 into 7 upon 100. Now the method is same. When we have to find the square root, we will find factors. By factorization method we are doing. So start finding the factors now. How we have done in the Heron's formula and all. So here, as we know that square root means the numbers we will get in pairs, 2, 2. So already 1 7 is there. As 1 7 is already there, so you first divide the number 1792 with 7. And when you will divide it with 7, you will get 256 into 7. It is 256 into 7, and already 1 7 was there. So as we know, 256 is a square of 16. So directly we can take 16 into 16, and 7 into 7 is already in pair, and 100 is a square of 10. Or you directly write the factors how we were finding it. So when you will find the factors of 256, you have to divide with 2, with 2, with 2, with 2, like that. So you check how many times you are getting 2. You are getting 8 times. So 2 multiply with 2, multiply with 2, 2, like this it is 8 times. Then you know what we do? We arrange the like terms together and in a pair. So one pair is this, one pair is this. So how many pairs of 2 we are getting? 4 pairs we are getting. And 7 is already in pair, 10 is already in pair. So this thing, if you will follow this way, first find the factors, arrange them in pairs, and when we take out them from the root sign, taking the root, our root sign will go. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 upon 10. Now what you will do? You multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 7s are 112 upon 10. Why we have kept 10? Because when you divide the number by 10, just you have to put the decimal place. So 112, when you divide with 10, you have to just write decimal, 1 place decimal. So your radius will become 11.2. When you will remove the decimal, you have to put the decimal at one place, that is, you remove 10, so it is 11.2. So we have we have done this 10, we have divided it with 10, keeping the decimal at one place. So 11.2. So our radius is 11.2. But what they have asked us to find? Diameter. So diameter is twice of radius. We know diameter is twice of radius. So twice of radius, 2 multiply with 11.2. So multiply 11.2 with 2, it is 22.4. Diameter is 22.4. So diameter of circle is 22.4 centimeter. So method is same, only we have to take care of the decimal. First we are removing the decimal and then final answer again in decimal. Third sum, 15.6, third sum in that, and it is 12,474 square centimeter. Area given is 12,474 square centimeter. Again the steps are same. First what we will write? Given. What is given? Area of circle. Area of circle is equal to 12,474 square centimeter. Next thing what we have to do? We have to find diameter of the circle. So given, to find. Now solution. Solution. What is the formula of area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. Formula to find area of circle is pi r square. After that what we will do? Substitute the values. Area of circle, it is 12,474 equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. Because value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r square. Next step is r square is equal to 12,474 multiply by. Now with which number you are going to multiply by? 7 upon 22. because we know here now it has come the part of equation. So 22 upon 7, we have to take the reciprocal now, multiply by 7 upon 22. So now next step what we will do, we have to r square is equal to, we have to divide, that is 12,474 into 7 upon 22. So first we will divide it with 11. We are going to divide it with 11. So when you divide with 11, you will get 2 11s are like that. So it is 11, and 12,474 divided by 2 will give you 6237. So when I have divided with 2, it has got 6237, and 22 it will become 11 into 7. Again what we will do, we will divide that number 6237 with 11. So you are getting 56, that is 567, 567. R square is equal to 567 into 7. Now what we have to do, we have to find r. How we will get r? Taking the square root. So we are going to take square root. R is equal to root of 567 into 7. Always keep in mind children, 1 factor 7 we are having. So first to divide with 7 and get the number. So when you divide 567 with 7, you will get 81. So it is 81 into 7 into 7. We are finding square root by factorization method. So same number we will be getting in pair. 1 7 is there. One more factor as 7 we will get. So it is root of 81 into 7 into 7. Now 81 we know is a square of which number? 9. So we will write 9 into 9 into 7 into 7. So 9 into 9 we have got one pair, 7 into 7 as one pair. So we are getting the numbers in pair. Now we are taking the square root. So from 9 we will get 9 and 7. So 9 sevens are. R is equal to 9 into 7. 9 sevens are children 63. So your R is 63. Again the same thing, we have to find diameter. So what we will do, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So you have to multiply 2 with 63. Now multiply 63 with 2. It is, yes, it is 126. Some numbers horizontally you can multiply and write. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. So diameter is 126 centimeter. And you have to learn the tables children. You also have to learn the squares and square roots. So diameter of the answer is the diameter of the circle 126 centimeter. So your final answer, which is to be given in the statement, diameter of the circle is 126 centimeter. So all the three sums were of similar type. First write the formula of area of circle, pi r square. Substitute the values. Then you will get r square, take their root. Now this is your assignment question. Area of a circle is 616 square centimeter. Find its radius. Similar way you have to use it. Okay. So we will conclude our session here and continue in the next one. So thank you children. Take care of yourself.